What's up, everybody? How is everybody doing today, man? I hope you are having a good one. I hope you're making money work for you, not working for the money, of course. And if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys are following my journey as an entrepreneur, my ups and downs. My name is Brandon Jones, if you don't know already, and I am an entrepreneur, and I help you make an extra income stream as well. So today we are on day 2, honestly, of building our storefront. We got Tamia right here working on her phone, relaxing, chilling with a stiff neck. If you haven't saw that in the last video, make sure you go and check that out. We're about to go to Olive Garden, and then I gotta go pick up something. Then we're gonna get the kids, I believe, and then it's a wrap. You know what I mean? I need to just stay in the house and not be out unless I'm working on a business at this point. But we are both sick, somewhat. I'd call it sick. Don't know what I really am, to be honest. I just keep sneezing and not feeling well, but at the same time, it comes and goes. Like, my throat doesn't hurt, which that's my form of being sick. I barely ever get a sore throat, ever. When I do, all I do is go to Walgreens or go to CVS and get the numbing cough drops, the throat numbing cough drops, and they work wonders. Never have any problem. I forget I have a sore throat and I go about my business. But it's just unfortunate that we're not feeling well right while we started to actually get what we had to get done with the storefront. We sat there, we painted it. We painted the store yesterday, so that's out of the way, which is perfect. When are you getting your desk and stuff? Or you don't know yet? You gotta speak louder, babe.
Right now, yeah.
She says she's getting it right now. So I don't know when hers is gonna come.
Mine, I believe I can do. Mine is on Friday. It's actually tomorrow, y'all.
They're kind of tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know what desk she got, but she is going to get a desk where she can actually work, but also have people sit in front of her too. Me, I need a showcase. Like, that's one of the things. I needed a desk, but also a showcase, because I need it to where not only can people see, but also, like, why are we just sitting at this light? Like, what the heck? People can see the products, like the phones and stuff that I have, but I need to be able to lock it up so that people can't just go in there. And this is going to be, in the beginning, a location to where it's strictly for wholesale, honestly, and also, you know, repairs. But this is just a prevention from having people honestly just coming and just touching and tainting with stuff. But I'll show you guys the vision very soon enough. It's just more so about getting the stuff done, and also staying on track with business while also doing this business. I have a meeting with a repairman that I'm trying to get to actually repair phones as well. So it's a lot. It's a lot, and all I can say is the mental is very important. Staying mentally in it is very important currently, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, mentally it can be trying. This whole thing can be trying, very trying. But nevertheless, you just gotta get this. You gotta get it done, right? Gotta get it done. You have ups and downs, and it's just more so about preparing for the worst and the best, but never giving up and making sure you get through every obstacle. Sometimes obstacles seem like they're gonna take long, or it seems like you might not get through them, but you will. You will. Give it due time. You feel me? Be smart. Give it due time, and always believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself. So I don't care where you at, whether it's business or personal. I don't care If you're doubting yourself, I don't care if you at the top, I don't care if you having a good month, bad month, just stay optimistic and always plan. Like, always plan. And that's one of the biggest things that I need to, that's why I need to get everything done, get my butt back in the house so I can plan, get my stuff together. I'm a type of person, once things start to be disorganized, they'll continue to get disorganized, and my brain cannot function because it's disorganized. Like, if things are disorganized, I can't function. Like, I'm not going to be productive. I'm not going to believe in myself as much as I should. I'm not going to put in the work. So I'm very upset at myself for allowing myself to become unorganized. And I have to also apologize to you guys, because as you guys have been getting videos daily, I've only missed, I believe, one day, which was yesterday, which I don't even think I missed that day, but I may have missed yesterday. But nevertheless, it's just, I know I can do better. I know I can do better. I know I can. And it's very upsetting to me, because I feel the most successful people, they don't get complacent with being successful, if that makes sense. From what I've seen, is a lot of people that are continuing to see success, they never reach a point to where they're like, oh yay, you know what I mean? And I don't want to reach that point. I always want to wake up and get 2% better. So I just gotta stay focused, man. And it's getting hard for me mentally. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's getting hard for me mentally. I'm just doubting myself, and I'm just drained and spending a lot of money, like a lot of money. And it's just annoying. It's just annoying. But one thing I will say though is, this is what I signed up for. You gotta know what you signed up for, and you gotta, you know what I mean, you just gotta live with it. So let's get it. We are at Olive Garden. We are at Walmart. I have Tamia right here shooting a vlog. But guys, I am going to be literally showing you guys a new project that we are working on, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. If you guys can't see me, the camera's going to get better eventually. But yeah, so first we're gonna have to go here. You really want what?
I really want like a smoothie, y'all. Oh,
Welcome to Minute.
If you're in Philly, I don't know if
Your
this
key is
like
as easy as 1, 2, 3.
worldwide, but,
Press start to begin.
green eggs cafe has a green smoothie that's so good, y'all. I really want that.
Please insert.
Well, you wasted it yesterday.
as shown
You
right
wasted it yesterday.
Probably.
I ended up having to throw it away.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's fine.
Yeah. But yeah, so it's hard to record while she keeps talking. Oh, you done talking? Oh, you're done. Okay. Great.
Sorry, we are unable to duplicate your key.
What?
Please remove your key.
Well, look like I got the Home Depot. Let me see.
Thank you for using Minute Key.
Okay, so we're in Walmart right now, guys, again, and we are looking for actually some leftover
That's how
school
Target was. No, this is how Target was.
school supplies.
This is how Target was.
Just need to get some
Those
overflow stuff, but ain't nothing there. Nothing at all. So what I came in here for is, like, I feel like I can get some paint and stuff cheaper here than I would be able to at Home Depot. Yeah, probably. Oh man, look at this, guys. I was literally just pretty upset with myself because I brought a whole thing of Expos and I took one from my school sun supplies. My son's school supplies, and all the markers ain't work. So we gonna use these. I need these, so we're gonna grab these. We should have got a cart, but it is what it is. Save some money. All right, so hold this for me. Chill out. So I see that they got these, and it comes with the tape. But got this, and it comes with the tape, so we're gonna get this. And we need another one of the things. Okay, so we got all this stuff in here in a trash can. So I am going to head to checkout and see how much this is. My target goal is under $50. Alright guys, so we are right now going into Wawa. Gotta lock the car. Thank you. Right here. She got a new drink. How you like it?
It's okay.
What it taste like?
Like blueberry syrup and water.
What? Okay, so I got a coffee, y'all. I got chocolate chip caramel coffee, frozen coffee. So we're gonna try that. I usually get cappuccino, but I need the energy right now today. So it's hitting like a transmission. Well, it's good. It's good. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Now we are going into Home Depot to get the paint. Show them the color we got.
We gotta go here for it.
Yeah, show them the color. We got what's that called?
Frisky blue.
Frisky blue. Why is this so?
And then, can we look for it in the aisle, or they have to get it?
They gotta make it.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we are at my storefront. So one, we're trying to make this a window. This is a really rough edit. This is actually a location. I'll explain it later, but let's just take a little tour of a raw look of it. Raw look of everything. Sorry if it's getting blurry. Okay, raw look, y'all. There we go. Raw look of this storefront. I needed a small space. This door gotta go. We gotta get a glass door here for sure. Gotta get a window here, a bigger window for sure. So we working on it. It's all gonna get worked on. But I will be showing you guys and documenting our transformation with our storefront. So we're about to start painting, guys. The paint is right here. This is the color we're gonna paint. Okay, so cannot wait for that. Put y'all down, I'm getting to work. This is what the paint looks like. Okay guys, so we did a great job, if I don't say so myself. So now we're gonna head to go get some more material. And when we come back, we're gonna finish this.